Do you know what my favorite time of the day is? Evening, where there's no sun, but it's still super warm. You don't sweat. Phuket Museum. Not my thing to do. Don't really like museums, a bit boring. But yeah, Phuket Town. It's so lively, you know. I love it here. This is one of the most famous and old hotels in Phuket Town. Let me show you inside. How authentic. This is beautiful, no? I actually quite like a decor for my new house. Definitely would consider these kind of walls and yeah, no, I love it. Hopefully I'm not gonna get kicked out. Please do not touch. I'm surprised it doesn't say in Russian. They say, hi! This is beautiful here. Look at it. Look at this building. This is crazy. It's like an art. Like an art. I think it's a cafe. Let me go in. It's so beautiful. I wonder what they serve here. Like, what is it? Not sure what that means. User's choice. But hey, nice. Hello. Just see inside. Oh, okay. How do you open it? Hello. Oh, okay. Oh, this is this place. Super pretty. Oh yeah. So this is actually a restaurant. It smells of fish, so I suppose it's I think it's a fish restaurant. Or like the music. There are a lot of cute places like this. Reminds me of Bali a little bit. Yeah, so you would walk like, and there's literally gonna be, I don't know, bins outside. And then you have these lovely places. Prices are not bad actually, look. That is only 65 baht. I mean, that's cheap. That's only 100 baht. But I think I'm staying here tonight. Oh, there's a lonely guy there. What is this place? Wow. Well, they've got the alcohol offer. Buy two, get one. Oh, somebody's coming out. It's just so much character. Like, look at this cafe. So nice. Even the restaurant next to it. Oh, so trendy, no? Super trendy. I like how they mixed old and new. Okay, so the ambulance is coming. Can you see? So that's obviously the COVID cases, 100%. It's coming. They look a bit old, no? They look weird, man. Oh, and check out this bar. Sushi bar. So trendy. You're never gonna guess. I actually follow them on Instagram, Salty Studio. They do super nice eyelashes. It's a very glamorous salon, by the way. Look, can you see the technicians there are doing it? Probably you can't see it for the reflection. Whose bike is this? Very, very. I mean, look, you can tell who is in the salon. Glam queen, not so much. Glam queen, not so much. No, yes. Oh, I thought you were talking to me. Hello, hi. Well, hello, we're filming each other. What? Oh, you've lost his slipper. That's all right. As you know, I am an expert when it comes to retail. So, what do you think my thoughts are on organization of this shop? This is the owner, I suppose, with a cigarette. That's me last year. No, I'm joking. You close? Close, okay. Maybe I should come and help him out. Like, there's no fucking way he's gonna make money in this way. I mean, what is going on down there? Wow. Alright. Next time. How pretty are those buildings? It's a Phuket Center Hotel. I don't know, like, I feel like I'm in Spain or something. I don't know. What do you think? This cafe is kind of cute. No? What do you think? The only thing is, I need to lose weight. I put on weight, and then they've got all these promotions where you get this, and then you get the strawberry cheesecake, and yeah, iced dark chocolate strawberry fudge. No, I think this is too fattening for me. No, won't go in there. This is a bank, I take it. Who is this? Not sure. Kind of great idea, no? Great idea. Everything's got just so much character. Or there's a Japanese restaurant. I wish I was hungry. I love teppanyaki. That's one of my favorite restaurants. I love it. You know when they cook stuff in the front of you? Who's this guy? A security guy. Hello? Hello? Right, what else have we got here? Alcohol? No, not for me. Hello? Old tattoo shop? Also not for me. Right, let's see. We need to find a cute cafe. Right, I like this bar. Look at the furniture. So nice. So nice. Vegan. I'll go and have a look. It says healthy and organic. Should be for me, no? Okay, let's see. I'd like to get that one. Don't know why. It gives you the calories too. It's quite handy, no? So you know exactly what you're taking. This is what I'm saying of how quirky everything is. It's just an example. All that wall, can you see? Nice, no? All this, the lighting. Nice, huh? You probably had enough of me hearing the word nice. Just thinking to mix it up. It looks amazing. Oh, that's my salon, by the way. That is my salon, yeah. Hang on a second. I thought this was just, I don't know. In fact, I didn't know what it was. But it's a bar. There's people there sitting there drinking. Interesting, no? Look at this place as an example. Looks like a library, but it's a cafe. Everything's got a character. A retail store. A bit better than the previous one. But can do with a bit more styling, I suppose. Needs to be a bit more, yeah. Okay, I've got police going. Check it out. They are so, how can I say it? Just a bit, you know, like in Italy, if you flirt with policemen, they'll take a picture with you, and oh, do you know what? It's even nicer at night. I'm gonna come and hang out here every bloody night. I'm missing out, big times. Not sure what this beautiful building is, but I feel like I'm in, I don't know. What country do you think this building looks like? Definitely not Thailand, no? So nice, and oh my god, I'm not sweating for a change. I can take the mask off now. Police is not there. So beautiful. I can't really explain to you, but the atmosphere is great. You're probably going to be saying now, oh, she's taking her hand too much, the phone is moving too much, it's a sick feeling. Guys, I'm holding the phone with my hand, so I'm doing my best. What is that? Wait, I don't know what this is, but it looks stunning. I have no idea what it is. I know it's in Thai as well, so